Tired of slow charging and cables that wear out too fast? What if your charging cable could deliver fast, reliable power without the hassle of frequent replacements? This Apple MFi-certified Lightning cable promises just that: fast charging, lasting durability, and seamless compatibility with your favorite Apple devices. I recently needed a dependable cable while traveling with my iPhone, and this one proved to be a game changer. Unlike overpriced options at retail stores, this cable arrived quickly and worked flawlessly. Thanks to its Apple Original C89 smart chip, it instantly recognized my device, providing a stable connection every time. No interruptions, no slowdowns, just smooth, efficient charging wherever I was. What sets this cable apart? It supports up to 2.4 amps charging current, thanks to wide-diameter wires and reduced cord resistance, meaning your devices charge faster and more efficiently. Plus, it's built to last. The reinforced Lightning and USB ends withstand bending, tested up to 10,000 times at 90 degrees, so you don't have to worry about fraying or breakage. The sturdy unibody connectors also ensure a secure fit, preventing loose connections that slow down charging or cause interruptions. Compatibility won't be an issue either. This cable works with a wide range of Apple products, from iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, all the way through iPhone 11, various iPad models including Pro, Air, and Mini, to iPod Touch and even Beats Pill Plus speakers. If you own Apple gear, this cable has you covered. If you're looking for a reliable charging cable that won't let you down, whether at home, in the office, or on the road, this MFi-certified Lightning cable is worth a look. It combines speed, durability, and universal compatibility without the premium price tag. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience and keep your devices powered up with confidence.